Hey everyone, Destroya here, and today I'll be showing you how to get Steam games for totally free. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the method I'm about to show you is mainly about three websites: GameStarSpot, No Steam, and Crow Has It. So all three of these websites contain almost every Steam game out there. At least they contain most of the ones you're going to need or you're looking for. So if you come to search for something like Call of Duty on Crow Has It, for example, you'll find, as you can see, almost every Call of Duty game on Steam. If you come to search for something like GTA V, which is also, of course, a very big game and popular game, San Andreas Vice City, and so on. And here is Grand Theft Auto 5. And same goes for No Steam, but the search is kind of broken, so just use Control F, the find feature. And if you come to search for something like Call of Duty, as you can see, you'll also find the ones you'll need. And same goes for Grand Theft Auto V. Yes, here's the game. Same goes for GameStarSpot as well. So Call of Duty, you have the games you're gonna need. Loading. Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Black Ops, World at War, and so on. And also, if you come to search for GTA V on GameStarSpot as well, you're going to find it, definitely. So each game on these three websites is going to have its own instructions and download links. So for this game on this website, for example, you can see the instructions over here and the download button below. Same goes for No Steam. Here's the game and an ad. Here are the instructions, pretty simple and clear. And finally, same goes for crowhasit.com, Grand Theft Auto 5 free download. And here are the instructions. Okay, here are the instructions and the instructions and the download links below. So you can actually download it for just the general download or download it as a torrent, whichever you like. Now, to give you guys a brief guide on how to download games from these websites, I'm going to download Geometry Dash from Crow Has It. So let's search for Geometry Dash. And here's the game. And we'll simply download it. That's an ad. Okay, we're gonna download it through Omega. So I'll pause the video and come back once it's finished downloading. So as you guys can see, it's almost done for. And a compressed zip file will open it up. And from there, we just you'll need to extract the files, of course, to the desktop or whatever, but I'm just gonna launch it quickly from here. And because I don't really need the games, just for illustration, so let's just wait for it to extract the files. And it's a bit laggy. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. So yeah, the game has loaded up, as you can see. This is the full version, of course, of Geometry Dash. And as you can see, I downloaded it for totally free in front of you, and that should work with every other game, just with some harder to follow instructions, but you should have everything done if you follow the instructions clearly. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.